Yeah, for the sake of those who wasn't able to join my training last week, last week or whatever, you can take it like that. Let's go. This is our machine. We'll bring it to signal scan. When you come to, I've already set it to Astra 2F. You can see it on the machine. Astra 2F. Let me turn it like this into any Astra 2F. We issue machine. Now they are two Astra 2F. The battery level maintenance is already. It will be 12 things a green frequency, on freeway in that's 11635 vertical 30,000, which is the frequency vertical 30,000. You can also use hot bed. You see here, if you send it, you can also use hot bed. If you want to use hot bed too, you can use it. I've already saved everything, so let me move it forward. You can use hot bed. Yeah, it is hot bed. You can also use hot bed. With the TP list, you can use it 12525. You can use the 12525, or you can use 11635. So let's go. Let me use the hot bed and let's scan. Okay, let's use the Astra 2F. Okay, let me go like this. Let's use the Astra 2F. The Astra. Okay, let me go for it. See, and ready. It's more share Astra 2F and medical code together. It's in the auto machine. Oh, friend, we are meeting me at the area. Yeah, set up machine. Now, what they are putting the tumor. It's Astra 2F. So, until you start to scan, until I say now, you shall say scan. Until alarm, you saw alarm, is so. Alarm is so. Until any. You shall say, you come here. Now they are back from Kakra. Now we change here, Pampine. Now they are back. Now change here, Pampine. Now they are back from. Now they are back. Now we change to go and say, yes, second and one. As he said, I just second and one. You can see, also I just second. So you are getting 63. You can adjust this to more. 69. So when you are second and whatever you can do to adjust the signal. Everywhere you can use the LNB. This is the LNB. You can use the LNB to increase the signal more. Because the signal no cost right. Because the LNB. Now the change now. No cost right. You get a signal. It's the Akai. So Ubimia. You can it's radio. And it will be can near with it's radio. Into when you're into me actually, and we're not for when you're anymore. It's me, to say that those requesting to say that they came here actually, the area. They came here. Asana with me in India. Those requesting, see, it's very simple. What is a DSTV? So, as I say, I'm installing in an account. Next video now I'll show you how to install it. Thank you very much. We'll move on to how to scan on it.